In terms of Tasawwuf and Sufism, so Sufism is something that trains you to become a human being, because we are born as a human being, but because we live in different type of environments, so we catch some certain type of diseases, arrogance, or for example not respecting the people, okay, insulting them, love of lying, love of, you can say, slandering the people, okay, or oppression, some type of evil, you can say, morals, okay. So some of these morals, so each of them belong to some certain animal, okay. But in order to come back to your human being nature, you have to get rid of all of these characters which is animalistic, okay. So Tasawwuf is practical, you can say, lessons, exercises that will help you under the supervision of, you can say, expert of this field, to get rid of these, you can say, characters which makes you similar to the animals, to get rid of all of them, so you can come back to be a human being, normal, you can say, absolute human being. So that's what Tasawwuf is. But in our time we do have, so Tasawwuf, it became like a type of you can say trading. People very rarely find genuine Sufi murshids, okay. So if there are some people are interested to, for example, start practicing Tasawwuf, so don't follow any Tasawwuf, but wait, look at what they do. The Sufi cannot be genuine if his aqeeda is incorrect. Sufi cannot be genuine if he's practicing some certain strange, non-explainable rituals and non-understandable things, okay. So for the Sufi to be genuine, he has to be 100% mu'min and Muslim, or otherwise it is another, you can say, deceived person who is maybe in contact with certain ghosts, jinnat, who are just deceiving them. So just be careful. 99% of the sellers of this market are fake. Tasawwuf in our time is unfortunately really badly damaged.
And do you know the best way to tell if the person is genuine?
Very difficult. No, difficult. I don't know.
Okay.